Good morning. Just had my first cup of coffee and trimmed my hair. Also, you're really close, but I don't. It's a little better. No, it's not. Just trimmed my hair. The kids and Adam had their haircuts last week. I've been cutting our family's hair since pandemic. Today, I'm doing orders. I put my new charms into the shop last night. I'm knitting on the cup. They're by So Sweet Violet. I think they're called the Lola socks, but I finished the first one. In this pattern I've knit, it's just this beautiful lace panel down the center. I'm going to get to work. I'm gonna make a second cup of coffee first. I don't think I've filmed like all day. I've been working on Gnome Sweet Gnome stuff, which I did film a little bit of that, what I made for the listings for next month. I've been doing a lot of digital artwork for Adam's merch store. He is Solnnix on Twitch, and he's opening up a merchandise shop through, I don't remember the name of the website, but I will link it below and show you kind of what we've been working on. I'm helping my sister. She is getting a baking side gig kind of going. I can't remember what I'm doing, so I'm gonna stop looking at my computer. Her plan is to do like cookies and stuff, and she makes the best cakes and cookies. They're so good. I am gonna make some cookies today because I really want some cookies. I've talked with her about cookies all day, and other than that, I pretty much have only worked on the gnome clubs and then this nutcracker painting, which I started weeks ago and I hated it. I hated it so much. I was gonna throw it away, but I just kept leaving it there, washi tape down, and finally today I really want to start the next moonrise over the Christmas village, but I don't know, something just told me just try to finish the nutcracker. And so I would put down a little bit more, and then I put down a little bit more, and each layer I put down I was like, I really do like him, I really do like him. And then like once he started looking unique to like my style, which I don't even really know what my style is, but what I felt like looked like something I had made, I love it now. And I'm gonna scan it into the computer, adjust the contrast, send it over to the iPad so I can also work on that and maybe get some prints into the shop in the next week or so. He scanned in really well. I was worried this beige back here wasn't going to show up. I think I need to clean it up a little, clean up these little stars, but they actually showed up really well. I'm pretty happy with that. I wanted it to just be subtle enough that it made the white of the horse pop. I feel like it definitely does that. So yay! Peep, 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 peep. The grumpy one. Did your spot get taken, Siri? Poor baby. We'll get down for 5 minutes and the lap is gone. I kind of like the muted colors with it, like the pastel, like that, yeah, that mint. Yeah, I can it's cute.
Alright.
So Adam's shop is live. Got mugs. Not wanting to focus. This is a Pippa because we always tell her she's pear-shaped. And friendly fire, which is my favorite because Adam always shoots his friends when he plays video games with them. So that's the joke there. And it comes in a few different colors and then some stickers. I think they turned out super cute. I really want to get this one. This one is available in pastel pink, pastel blue, and gray and white. So yeah, if you guys think you'd be interested in any of these, you'll recognize this one from my shop. Then you can head to his merch store. I'm gonna link it down below this video. Super exciting to see my artwork on like shirts and stuff. That's pretty crazy. Pippa and I are gonna watch some podcasts, aren't we, baby? And I'm going to work on my Lola socks. Where is the cuff? There it is. So I still have quite a ways to go before I'm done with the cuff.